Hi guys, Mama Beach here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today, and I know you clicked on this video because you are one of the many people obsessed with this bag, and it is so popular right now, and after trying it out for myself, I totally get it. It is fabulous. It is Coach's Charlie Bucket bag. They just came out with it about a month ago, and it is flying off the shelves. It is already sold out. I've heard a rumor. I still have the tags on this one that I got from Macy's because I was waiting to see if I could get a better discount during Coach's semi-annual sale. But I recently spoke with a sales associate to see if this would be included, and she said it's sold out. I don't know if that's good information or not, but I was shocked to hear that. I'm still gonna keep the tags on for 2 more days until the sale starts so I can make sure I'm not gonna be able to get it for a better discount because you guys know I'm cheap. Gotta get it for the best price. This one, it came from Macy's, and I got it during their 30% off sale, plus I combined it with 15% cash back from Rakuten, which made it about 45% off, which is decent. I mean, I prefer to pay under 50% off, but you know, you can't always win. And for a fabulous bag like this that might actually be sold out and that they've already discontinued, which makes no sense to me. Coach, if you're watching this video, this bag is awesome. Think of all the things you could do with it. You could do it in tons of different leathers. You could add embellishments. You could add tea roses. You could add rivets. You could add whip stitching. There is just endless amount of possibilities for this style that it's already starting off so basic. So I hope this whole rumor that it's discontinued is just totally false, and they're actually going to make this into its own line where they could have different sizes. They could have a bigger Charlie bucket, a smaller, a crossbody option. I mean, honestly, I think the possibilities are endless, and I hope someone from Coach is watching this video and is gonna call me up and hire me to do this line because I really think that they should do it. Okay, so let me tell you about this bag, the features, what fits, and also show you how it looks on, because you guys can tell just from looking at it on camera, it's super chic, wonderful bag, especially in this color. But once you see it on, it is so nice on. It really translates well when it's against the body to, like, it still looks really sharp. So stay tuned, definitely watch till the end so you can see what it looks like on. This color is Beechwood. I highly recommend it. It is so expensive looking. It is a perfect neutral nude color, very warm nude. There's not a lot of yellow in it. I really like it, and I really love it with the gold hardware. It makes it look even more expensive. There are a bunch of other colors of this bag. I think there is black, dark turquoise, bone. There might be a red option, and they all have different color hardware, so you can kind of pick what you want. At this point, you might have to go to the resale market. And I have fear that they're going to start getting marked up a lot, because if they really are discontinued and sold out and they're this dang popular, people are going to be marking them up. So get out there and get one if you're interested before that starts happening. So it is done in a pebbled leather that has a lovely even texture to it, really durable feeling. This is an all-weather bag. This is a no worries bag, okay? This not only is it beautiful, functional, I could go on. It is so durable the way that it is made. My one concern, so one of the cons I'm gonna throw out there, and I'm concerned about it, but I don't know what's gonna happen, is these corners. These corners are very sharp the way that they're sewn together, and you have this piping here. This is a stress point on any purse. Any purse is gonna get weird at the corners. That's just a fact. It's a fact of life. And they've elected not to put feet on here. Okay, so now you're going to be when you're setting this down, it's going directly on a surface. Those corners are going to wear even faster. So that is my one concern. Well, one of my concerns for this bag is that the corners are going to wear super fast, and especially where you have this piping, this is going to come off, this edge seal here. So just something to keep aware of. When I take this bag out, I'm probably going to try not to set it down. I'm going to hang it on my knee, bring a purse hook and hang it so that I'm not stressing the corners so much. The other features of this bag, I mean, you can tell it's pretty simple. You have this side seam here that has more of that edge seal, contrast black edge seal here. You have a nice wide flat strap, really comfortable on the shoulder. The leather is very structured, but it does have some give to it. So it's not super stiff like a Saffiano leather. Now let me show you how the closure works. So you have 2 turn lock closures, and they are both functional. So you have a front turn lock and a back turn lock. And inside is a it reminds me of a Saffiano on the inside. Kind of has like a cross hatch pattern to it. But you can see how thin this is. This is all leather, guys. This is all leather. And the retail price on it is only $375. I mean, this is a great quality. This is a great value, I think. So it comes with a longer strap option, which I will show you when I put it on later. But I think that's fabulous that they've given you the option here to do long or short wear with it. You can see it's called the Charlie bucket bag, and guess what? It's a big old bucket, and you just throw your stuff in there. There's not much organization to it. You have one slip pocket that's pretty tight here on one side, so you're not gonna get a cell phone in there, and you're gonna need to think skinny in terms of what you can put in here, because there's really not that much give to it. And that's it. And so to me, what it reminds me of in terms of the design is the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe. I threw this out there when I opened it up. It really, really looks like the Neo Noe in terms of the organization, the design, everything. But this is amazing because it's all leather. It's all leather and it's only $375. And if you get it on sale, it's only $250. So for me, that is just incredible. I'm excited to add this to my collection. I'm excited to use it more once I find out if I can get a better discount or not, and I can actually rip the tags off and carry it outside. So let me show you what fits inside. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the number one question I get, the iPad. This is the 9.5 inch iPad Pro, not the large one. And it does fit in here, but there is a caveat. Caveat is once it's in here, you cannot close that turn lock. It won't do it. So you are going to need to leave it open, which isn't a huge deal, but it does, when you carry it under the arm open, it doesn't feel quite as nice because it's not pinched shut, so it's a little more bulky under the arm. But totally still functional, you can do it. Want to show you that's a possibility. I'm actually just going to leave it in here. Then I'm going to put in my umbrella, kind of laid down. Then I'm going to put, see, my sunglasses on top. This is a pretty big sunglasses case, just lay it on top. And because of the way this bag is designed, it's a tall, thin bag, you have to stack your stuff. And I know some people get irritated by that. They want to see everything. They prefer like a wider style. So if you're one of those people, skip this one. You're not going to like it. If you're okay with stacking your stuff though, quite a lot of stuff can fit in here. So there's those two things. In the front, I'm going to put this really large size pouch. I'm going to put a full-size wallet. Okay. I'm going to put the smaller pouch next to the wallet. I'm going to put a bunch of little stuff in this slip pocket. Let's see. Will a hand sanitizer go in there? Yeah, but I don't know that I would do it. It's tight. I think skinnier items are better in the slip pocket since it is kind of a tighter, more structured leather. And I'll throw my car keys in here. Okay, now let me show you how this secures. So there's that side. I can't secure the other side, remember, because I have the iPad in there. So that is how that works. I'm going to take the iPad out so that I can do the turn lock here and show you what it looks like full. Okay, that's full. You can see the leather is thick enough and structured enough that you don't have any kind of sagging. There's no bending or anything. It's a very structured bag, but you guys know I don't really like structured bags, but this has enough warmth to it. The leather is kind of soft and malleable that I can do this one. All right, let me show you guys some quick mod shots so you can see how fabulous this bag looks on. All right, here it is, Charlie bucket bag. You can see there is about 4 inches of clearance here, plenty of room. You don't really need to worry about your clothing or a bulky coat or anything. I feel like there's enough clearance here. And because of this, like I explained, because of the turn lock closures here that kind of make this narrow, it makes it way more comfortable under the arm and you're kind of able to squeeze it into the body a little easier because of that reason. Looks so chic on, I think, just between like the structure of it, the seaming, this particular color with this hardware, just it looks so expensive. So here is my other con to this bag. This does not come off. if I designed this bag, Coach, call me once again, this would be dog clipped on and you would be able to remove it completely and add the crossbody strap. But you can't do that. This is permanently attached to the bag. So when you want to add the crossbody strap, you have two options. You can either have that shoulder strap hang in the back against your body or in the front. So let me show you both ways. So here it is, crossbody with the shoulder strap tucked behind. You will see this gives us a nice clean appearance on the outside. I think this bag looks great as a crossbody actually, even though it is a little bit large for it. This is on the longest setting, and I am 5'9", so if you are shorter, there's a lot of different options here for how you can set the strap up. And something that's really nice about this strap is the way that they've designed it. There's no floppy piece that hangs off. It all gets bent back up and is connected here. So I think that makes it a little bit more tailored, and I really like that they did that. So let me show you what it looks like if we switch this. So the shoulder strap's on the outside. Now you can see it hangs much nicer and more comfortably against the body, but you have this thing hanging out here that I think looks kind of sloppy. So I don't know. I wish they had given us the ability to take this off completely and have the versatility to have it be one or the other. But for this bag, I'm okay with that. I will probably carry it with the short shoulder strap 90% of the time. I'll tuck this one inside so that if I want to have the option of throwing it on crossbody because I need my hands to do something or I just want to switch it up, I can do that. But like I said, I find it to be more of a shoulder bag. So that's my friend Charlie. I absolutely love him. If I had to summarize the few cons that I have for this bag, it would be the corners wearing quickly. It's just something that I would be concerned about. The strap situation not being as versatile as I think it could be, and this getting in the way when you wear it crossbody. The other thing that I didn't mention is that when you do have it full and you're wearing it crossbody, it's pretty heavy. In my opinion, it's pretty heavy, and a thicker shoulder strap would have been nice for that reason. I mean, look at the difference in the thickness here. So when you wear it as a shoulder bag, you have all of the space for the weight to be distributed on your shoulder. But when you wear it as a crossbody, it's kind of all concentrated on a much more narrow spot. It's not quite as comfortable if you have it really full. I think if you're just carrying a few items and the weight is light enough, you probably wouldn't notice it. But definitely think they could have given us a thicker strap here, would have made it a little more comfortable. Honestly, it's a great bag. It's a worry-free, really nice, expensive looking bag that has a great design, super simple, no worries style. So that's why I really like it, and I think a lot of people agree with me out there, which is why it is just flying off the shelves. If you want one, go get one quickly, because they may not be around for much longer. If you have any comments or questions about this style, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as quickly as I can. Or if you have any information about what's happening with this style, maybe you are a Coach sales associate and you have the inside scoop, please let us know below, because people really love this bag and I think we'd all be sad for it to go away. Thank you guys for watching today. I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you will. It's really simple. You just click that button down there that says subscribe. And then if you want to get notifications that I've posted a video, you click that little bell next to it and you will get notified. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.